Hello everyone, welcome to the Harvristy channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable bloom in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to go to the video tab and scroll down to the bloom option. So you have this drop down right here that allows you to enable or disable bloom. So off means that bloom is disabled and standard means that bloom is enabled. So just select the option that you want, and once you've done that, press the save button to save your settings. And right now you can see the bloom is disabled. This is what it looks like. And this is what the game looks like with bloom enabled. So here as you can see, the lights emit like a glow. So there's bloom right here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.